Alright, so I picked up something off of Amazon that I think is going to come in pretty handy to cut the K-member. I was going to notch it for the stock AC compressor, the AC bracket. I don't want to do the high mount. I don't like the way that looks. It looks too cluttered up top. Plus it's one less pulley to wrap on the belt for a supercharger, so the Lotos LT3500. I got for like $139. Plasma cutter. And all the reviews and stuff I've seen, it should be plenty enough to cut some thin metal. I will be using this here in a few minutes because I have a piece of sheet metal that I'm putting on my workbench so I can spray stuff down with brake clean and whatnot and not have to worry about damaging the wood. So I need to cut it a little bit. I don't really have anything to bend this really good, so I didn't bend it quite where I wanted to, so now it's pushing up against the back of the workbench here. So I'm gonna trim some of that off so it'll sit flat. Alright, check it out. Got the little plasma cutter in here. See if we can't cut that sheet metal. This is 18 gauge stainless steel. We'll see how it cuts. Probably could have done that with a little saw, but I just bought a new toy and I wanted to try it out. Just like welding, it's going to take a little bit to kind of play around with and get used to, but that sure makes cutting pretty fast. I did end up using 22 amps and about 50 psi of air to cut through that stainless steel. Definitely fits up there now. Yeah, that'll work. Phone was about to die, so I had to cut it off for a little bit, but I wanted to show the finished product here. In hindsight, I should have put that center screw, one down here and one up there, and then you know, it wouldn't have been in the middle like this. But I'm gonna try and countersink it a little bit more, make it flush, because it'll catch on something right now and that'll get really annoying. So I'm gonna try and countersink that, and then it won't really matter. But like I said, in hindsight, you know, should have put two of them on there, just like I did on the ends here. But yeah, now I can clean some heads and stuff up here and spray some chemicals and all that stuff, and not really worry too much about the wood underneath it. So that's it. Thanks for watching Cars and Joshy. Josh out.